It was evening. The sky was turning red, and an eerie silence had settled over the fields outside the village. Ahmed, an ordinary rural teenager, was returning home after his usual evening chat with friends. But tonight, the path felt strangely unfamiliar. At the edge of the village stood an old and abandoned well, surrounded by tales of mysterious happenings. Ahmed had never believed in those stories, but that evening he stopped near the well. A faint light was emanating from it, as if someone had lit a lamp inside. Where is this light coming from? Ahmed murmured to himself. Despite the fear creeping into his heart, Ahmed's curiosity drew him closer to the well. As he approached, he heard a mysterious voice warning him, "Go back." Ahmed hesitated but couldn't suppress his bravery. He peered into the well and saw a shadow. Just as he tried to make sense of it, the light vanished and a loud scream echoed. Ahmed's heart raced. He was about to run when he felt a hand on his shoulder. Startled, he screamed, only to turn and see the village elder. "Baba Rahmat, what are you doing here, son?" Baba Rahmat asked. Panting, Ahmed replied, "I saw a strange light coming from the well and heard a voice." A peculiar smile spread across Baba Rahmat's face. "This well is centuries old and holds secrets buried within. Those who let their curiosity take over never return." Chills ran down Ahmed's spine. Secrets? What kind of secrets? Baba Rahmat took a deep breath and said, "If you truly wish to uncover these secrets, be prepared, but remember, you must summon all your courage." Baba Rahmat's words lingered in Ahmed's mind like a thorn. The next night he returned to the well, this time with a lantern and sturdy rope. As Ahmed descended into the well, he discovered a tunnel. At the end of the tunnel was a chamber with mysterious engravings on its walls. Suddenly, a door creaked open and a man appeared. "Ahmed, who told you to come here?" the man thundered. "Who are you?" Ahmed asked, trembling. "I am your future," the man replied with a smile. Suddenly, Ahmed woke up in his simple room, drenched in sweat. The faint light of a flickering lantern cast shadows on the walls. Instinctively, he reached into his pocket and found a small, mysterious key. Holding it in his hand, his heart pounded with a mix of fear and curiosity. Where had this key come from? And what did it unlock? The questions consumed his thoughts. The key had a peculiar mark on it, resembling the engravings he had seen on the wall in his dream. Ahmed decided he would return to the well and uncover the complete truth. The following night, Ahmed quietly made his way back to the well. He brought a torch, a rope, and some provisions, knowing this journey wouldn't be easy. As he began descending, the same mysterious voice echoed, "Go back, this place is not for you." But Ahmed ignored his fear and continued down the well. This time he reached the tunnel that led to the chamber. Inside, the markings on the wall began to glow, and the key in his hand seemed to pull itself toward them. When the key fit into the markings, the wall slowly shifted, revealing a hidden passage. The passage opened into a vast hall filled with ancient treasures, piles of gold coins, gemstones, and rare books. Ahmad was awestruck, but barely took a step forward when a giant shadow appeared. This treasure belongs to those with pure intentions. If greed consumes you, you will be trapped here forever, like the others. Ahmed listened to the shadow and stepped back. I didn't come here to take the treasure, I just wanted to understand what this is and its purpose. The shadow smiled faintly. Your honesty has saved you. This treasure is for your village, but it must only be used to help those in need. Suddenly, the shadow disappeared and Ahmed found himself outside the well. But this time he wasn't empty handed. In his hand was a map showing the way to the treasure. Ahmed shared the secret with the village elders and together they retrieved the treasure. It was used for the welfare of the village, bringing prosperity to all. Ahmed was remembered as the brave boy whose courage and pure heart unveiled a century-old secret and changed the fate of this village.